Hey dolls, welcome back to the channel. If you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and in today's video I am so nervous and excited, and I'm just having a mix of emotions because in this video I'm sharing my home renovation work. Oh my gosh, today is the day. Today has been leading up to this very moment. Contractors is coming in. I'm just going to give you all a quick walkthrough for you and myself, starting with, okay, first of all, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium. It was purchased brand new, okay, completely brand new. But at that time when it was purchased brand new, even Webb, we weren't as appliance savvy as we are now. Meaning like different kinds of appliances, their qualities, and they levels, like the GE versus Samsung versus LG versus Viking versus Wolf versus Sub-Zero, that kind of verse and knowledge and knowing. So when the condo was purchased brand new, all we knew was the blueprints and that it was going to be brand new, and they said it would have hardwood floors, brand new appliances. So we jumped on it, we took it, okay, got here, didn't need to do anything to it. But now fast forward, first home renovation project, everything is being done over, flooring, walls, kitchen, whole shebang bang. So this is the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. This was what came with the unit when it was brand new. Obviously it looked a lot better then than now, but this was the whole setup, brand new, just like this, same tub, whatever. It even came with window blinds. Like I said, I didn't have to pick out anything other than the furniture that was going to go in here, or the paint color if I decided to paint and change. So this is the guest bathroom. And now for here, a very short hallway, main entrance. I call this little area the foyer. Then we got the living room area, okay? Living room. This right here was a little study, I had like the mirror here with the books, whatever. This is the closet / pantry that we had going on. You're never going to get too much closet space here in New York City. So if you find a place that got closet space, you're doing good. Followed by the kitchen. It's a galleyway type kitchen, meaning straight through, side to side. They call that a galleyway. It came with brand new appliances by GE. They were black. I was happy about that, black appliances. But here's what I learned different. The countertops, right? I was happy, countertops, but now as I got more versed into learning things about home, these are Formica countertops. This looked like a hardwood cabinet, but these are the compressed wood type cabinet. Is it still of great quality? Absolutely, it's still of great quality, but in my now space, when you see the after, you'll see the difference. So these are the counters, the counter and the cabinets, but the difference with these cabinets is they were faced. See? Face. Just like that. And that's the compressed wood. Regular sink, okay? I showed you all the sink in the previous video. So this is just a regular chrome sink, but now the new sink is going to be an undermount, meaning this sink sits on top of the counter. The new sink will be, the counter will be over. You saw it. Refrigerator, bang bang. Microwave. I recently learned the difference between convection. Is it convection? Let me try this again. Rev, is it a convection?
No, you talk about the undermount of the microwave, which is and
Induction?
No, it's not induction.
Oh,
This is-
induction was the stove.
Yeah, convection was the stove also.
Okay.
But you're talking about being that there's no
Oh, ventilation.
ventilation, so you do a ventless microwave that's recirculatory.
Oh, recirculatory. Haha. See, we learned a lot in this home renovation project. We learned a lot of different things, and wow, mind blowing. So, because the microwave is above the stove, it needed to be recirculatory, meaning it draws up the heat, whatever, and filters it out. But
Comes out through the
it
top.
comes out through here. So you're never really venting out your place. It's just recirculating.
Unless you had a place that did have
Yeah, had like
a hole in
yeah.
there
You
where
would have had like a hole.
it vented out to a vent.
Yeah. So when I would cook, a lot of times, that's how scents, food smells will last that much longer than the average, because it was just recirculatory. All right, like I said, regular stove, Schmegler stove. The new appliances that's coming in, when they come in, I'll go over what they are and whatnot after you do the install. But this was the kitchen. And quickly over here, the main master bedroom fits a king size bed, but once you get the king size bed in, you don't really got much space for anything else. Closet, right? I actually had a walk-in closet. Oh my gosh, this was the highlight of the buy. Walk-in closet, where you gonna find that at in New York City? Very hard to do. Had a walk-in closet. Then bathroom in the master bathroom. Shower, you know, so she got the shower and the sink and whatnot. Decent size, you know, I ain't mad about it. Still absolutely love the place when it was first purchased, and happy to say that now here it is, umpteen years later, and now we're doing the upgrades that my now self would have liked back then. So yeah. All right, well, the contractors are downstairs. They're gonna come up. You're gonna get footage of them periodically doing things. Figure to share that with you all. And yeah, super excited. Very excited. Oh, I can't get it.
Told you that.
Yeah, okay, I need the bathroom.
Go to that one.
Huh?
I was gonna say go to the other bathroom.
Oh, the other bathroom? Okay. Wow. Oh, the kitchen's gone. Oh, wow, it's gone. It looked bigger. Oh, my God. Well, this is day one. We did the demolition for, come in. We did the demolition for, the kitchen is done. It's gutted, super excited. I know it's not making much sense. This is where the refrigerator will be. Counter, sink, stove, wine cellar, counter. New fork. Alright. Right now they just getting rid of all the demolition work that they did. Gotta get that out. The old appliances is going out. And yeah, so this was day one. Stay tuned as I bring y'all the additional days to come.